Hey guys. This is CXPEAS05 here. Do you want to consider hitting that subscribe button to get more latest content from CXP himself? Don't miss out on it. Smash that like and subscribe buttons and twist that notification bell.
Or less. Wave deep. The total temperature 78 degrees.
Okay. Just got it.
For the source radar. Lightning and heavy downpours. Include Port Salerno, Palm City, Home Sound Wildlife Refuge, Witham Field. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. 1:46 p.m.
Alright. Well, there you have it.